Hello everybody, it's Jessica from Jensita Johnson, and today I tried to make space buns on myself. So look at this DIY and let me know what you think and if you want to see more of these styles. I just did a middle parting, then from the middle of my head to the ear I took the left section and then the right section. I'm taking my finger normally to where I want to go with my part line. The rest of the hair I just put into a deep ponytail, and now I'm taking my left hand side and I'm clipping it away. I apply some gel to avoid flyaways, and I start with the first section that goes diagonally to the middle parting, and I part them into 3, and then I go under the middle, right under the middle, I add in some hair, left under the middle, and I add in some hair. The section that I prepared to make this Dutch braid is not very big. I'm going diagonally to the back of my head, or to the middle of the head actually, right over the ear. Keep on incorporating the hair from the sides, add in some more gel if needed, and then I just do some more stitches before I'm going to add in a tiny elastic. This is our first braid. Tie it and then pancake the edges to make it look wider and less straight. Here you see how I apply gel when I want to avoid flyaways. Like this I do not need much, but I don't have sticking out little hairs where I have many from, especially in spring. So again, on the right hand side you do the same, 3 sections, more or less even. Bring the left under the middle, right under the middle, then left under the middle, add in some hair, and right under, add in some hair. So like you see, I always first bring the strand under the middle strand before I add in the hair, and then I grab it together with my 2 fingers, holding it tight when there's no more hair to incorporate, still having the side here over the ear, pulling it tightly up, and then doing some more stitches just to be able to place the little elastic where I need it, what is exactly at the edge of the parting that I did. So tie it, pull it, and like this you have a wide, bit boho looking Dutch braid. Now I'm taking more hair, so I make the middle parting a bit longer on the height where I love to wear my ponytail. I'm taking a more comfortable elastic because this is going to stay in the whole day, where you could feel it, and it also gives a bit volume to the base of my space bun. And I'm combining this extra portion of hair with the braid that I just did, and now I do a rope twist braid. So you turn one of the 2 strands you do always to one side and then bring it over to the other. So what I'm doing here is I turn it to the right and I bring it over to the left. Do this until the very end, and then wrap it around. These space buns do not have to be super neat. I like them when they are a bit messy. And then you do exactly the same thing on the other side. So turn to the left, bring over to the right. No, the other way. I do it on both sides the same way because it's easier. I'm turning to the right and bring over to the left. Do what is convenient for you. Just make sure for the braid not to unravel, that you turn the hair from the strand in the opposite direction. Pin everything into place with some bobby pins. I needed only 3, and this is the final result actually. 2 space buns with Dutch braid, perfect for summer, and if you want to have all the hair up, you can take even all. Bye bye, see you soon. Thanks for watching.